Well, few months back, Yonex has launched the newest edition in the Nanoflare lineup, the Nanoflare 1000Z. And today in this video, I will be talking about the 1000 Play, the lower and the cheapest variant in the Nanoflare 1000 series, and see if it's worth to buy. So let's get started. Here's the back of the Nanoflare 1000 Play that comes with the racket. You can see the Nanoflare Sonic Flare system print on the back itself. And for me, the included back of Nanoflare series looks the best to compare to the other, like from the Arcsaber or the Astrox. Well, let's open up the back and check the racket itself. And here it is in the yellow and black combination, same as the other higher end variant of the 1000 series. You can see the price printed as Rs 5,790, but you can easily get this racket between 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. Online in Amazon, it's available for almost 4,000 rupees. However, I have bought from offline and costed me 3,600 rupees from the local shop. It is a 4U weight category racket with a G5 grip size with a string tension of up to 28 lbs. It is a full graphite racket. You can also see the Nanoflare 1000 Play branding on the shaft, the Nanoflare system branding here on the frame, and obviously the isometric head written on the top part. The Play branding over here, as it's the Play variant. The other game and tour model will come with printed with their respective branding, but the 1000Z, the top variant, will come with nothing printed on the frame. You can see the headlight written over here, as it is a headlight racket, and it's made in China as it's the cheapest variant. The other three higher end variant will come in Japan and Taiwan made. The color of the racket looks eye-catchy with the bright yellow finish, which is looking good to me. Other than the cosmetic features, let's talk about its specs. The flexibility is said to be medium as per the Yonex website. The frame and shaft is made out of graphite only, unlike the higher variant which comes with some other premium materials. The weight is of 4U category, which will be under 85 grams. String tension can be strung till 28 lbs. The racket comes with isometric head with a smaller frame size. And most importantly, the Sonic Flare system, which helps the racket to reach its maximum acceleration to hit a shuttle. It also comes with the aero frame. That's all are the main highlighting point of this racket. Coming to the real world scenario, I've been using this racket for like 2 to 3 months now, and I feel the balance point is slightly towards the head. The flexibility of the shaft seems to be medium. The overall speed of the racket is good, as it has got a smaller head size, but you will need to apply more power for the shuttle to travel further, like in the case of smashes and clearing shots. It is not that good for control play, but good for fast shuttle play with good smashes if you can apply ample power. This is how I feel this far, and to conclude, I would say you can definitely consider this racket if your budget is around 4,000 rupees. And if you want a comparison with other racket, comment down below. And that's all in this video. Subscribe to view such more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one.